boys and girls, my name is Christopher.
And my name is Scotty.
And welcome to Christopher's Cooking Creations.
Hey Christopher, what are we cooking today?
Well, thank you for asking, Scotty. Today we'll be cooking pizza scrolls.
Oh, yummy! So, what are the ingredients for today?
Well, the ingredients are first, you need to get your butter knife and dip it in the pizza sauce. Then, you need to spread it on your pastry. Oh, sorry, here you go, Scotty. Scotty, there you go. Once you have done that, you need to get a handful in cheese and spread it on your pastry. Can you help me a little bit, Scotty? Thank you. Scotty! And finally, we're going to get a few slices of salami and place them on the pizza. Here you go, Scotty. There you go. Scotty, you done it. There you go. And now you are done. Now you are going to roll your pastry up. Hey Scotty, do you reckon you could come over here so I have enough space? And now you're going to cut them up. Now you're going to place the pizza scrolls onto a baking tray and then into the oven. Now you are going to put the pizza scrolls into the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes or until they are golden. And once they have cooked and cooled off, you can eat them.
They're really good. Have some more.
These are really good. Scotty,